bird. Pretty bird? That's all you have to say? Pretty bird, that's right. Are you happy and you know it? She's got a little happy and you know it in the Addams family at the same time. Okay, what's this song? Sing it again. What's that song, Joe? I can't make out that tune. I have to ask some of my family and friends. What's that song? What's that song you're singing? I can't make it out. The other one. Hmm? Oh. All right. Let me finish cleaning the house because we're not going out in this today. Look, she loves looking at herself. Pretty bird. I know. Who's a pretty bird? Who's pretty bird? How sexy and you know it. Are you sexy and you know it? Are you happy and you know it? Addams family. They're creepy and they're kooky. They really are spooky. The Addams family. The house is a museum, and people come to see them. They really are a scream. The Addams family. Do-do-do-dun. Do-do-do-dun. Come on, we'll do a duet. Da-da-da-dun. There's such a kick out of this. Come on, it's your turn. It's your line. Shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. All right, everyone, stay warm. Look at this. Look at this beautiful. Looks beautiful from inside. Ice all the way down to the lagoon. There's no ducks. There's no swans. There's no seagulls. Only a little beautiful cockatiel. Huh? You sing a duet with me? Yeah? All right. Stay warm, everyone. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. You don't know how to say goodbye. You just say hello. Huh? You just say hello. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. You want to eat? What's treats? Who wants treats? What treats? Where's the girls? Oh, here's Bella. Bella's going to eat. Yeah? All right. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.